This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by signing into your Xfinity account. Use the Xfinity app or a browser. Once you're logged in, go directly to Services, then Internet Settings. This locates your gateway and public hotspot options. Make sure you're using the account owner credentials because guest controls appear only there. If you see multiple devices, pick the primary gateway. This first step gets you to the hotspot controls quickly, so you can turn the feature off without digging through unrelated menus. Once in the gateway settings, find the public hotspot or Xfinity Wi-Fi section and toggle the hotspot off. You're doing this to stop your router from sharing bandwidth with public users. After you switch it off, press Save or Apply, then wait 2 to 5 minutes for the gateway to update. If you manage multiple gateways, repeat for each device. Make sure the toggle shows disabled. If it reverts, recheck account permissions or try signing out and back in to force the change. Finish by rebooting your gateway, power it off for 10 seconds, then back on. This confirms the hotspot is off across the network. After restart, walk around with your phone and verify the Xfinity Wi-Fi SSID is gone. That proves success. If the hotspot still appears, make sure the account is the primary owner, then try a factory reset or contact Xfinity support. One key troubleshooting tip: power cycle first, because many settings only fully apply after a restart, which often resolves lingering visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.